Welcome to my new kitchen. There's the stairs. It's on the 3rd floor of the same building, but it is a little different. I got a money tree now. My Vitamix though is almost dead, to be honest. But I did want to show you the before of dino buns. So the old recipe was, if you can see here, zucchini. That's my sign. You know, I took out apple cider vinegar. If you can see that, that's crossed out. And sheesh, I wish I had a pumpkin to show you, but the new recipe is using pumpkin. Let me tell you something, it's way better. And I'm not the only one who said so. This is a Danish dough whisk, which I'm gonna use right now to whisk this dough. Here's child support. I'm not a deadbeat, although sometimes I feel like one. I don't know why I said that, but I planned to say that. I said, here's my child support. Let me just say that I'm not a deadbeat, even though I feel like one, because my kids are teenagers now, and I feel like I missed their whole life. But I'm still dedicated to my mission, which is to provide the safest way. And that's the name of my tour that I'm going to take across the nation. And it's no head contact MMA, points for action instead of damage, and off the back end of that, Master Lukey brand Life Food Certified, which is commercial recipes marketed to families, kids and families. So this is dino buns, and they're going to be blended. Sorry, they are blended. They're going to be baked in this mold here, and that's a new addition to the brand. And then they get vacuum sealed. I want to give you free samples of the new pumpkin dough, because it's different, it's better. And also, I wanted to make this video to show you that this dough, and let's come in for the close-up. This dough is a certain level in the pot here, and you could see like maybe there's an inch. And then the next video I'll come back and we'll see that it rose. I'm going to guarantee that it rose. I can't guarantee that Master Lukey brand's going to be a success, but I'm going for it anyway. My ex doesn't think so. My dad doesn't think so. Do you think so? Do you want to help? I'll tell you what you could do if you want. Taste them. Taste the buns. Just send me a message, go to masterlukey.com, scroll down to the bottom where it says contact, say, I want to try your dino buns. And I'll send you like, I don't know, 4? I'll send you 2 of these, 2 packs, 1 or 2 packs. 'Cause, you know, I don't want to send them if you're not going to like them. They're sourdough. So this is going to it's going to sit overnight. And then I'm going to bake them tomorrow. So, you know, it's a probiotic dough. It's made from quinoa. If you want to see the full ingredients list, I can send you that too. Otherwise, you know, just send me a message with any questions that you have about health. How's that? Health, fitness, Life Food Certified recipes. This one is actually baked, so it's kind of like a transitional recipe. You know, we live in a world where bread is like a staple, so I think this is a better alternative, a healthier alternative. Let me know what you think. Like I said, hit me up and I'll hook you up. Over and out.